Hello everybody. Alright, so here I'm gonna show you what I do for this is my living room. So in my build I like to name places where I have things. My garage is in the back where I have all my camping supplies and extra items for when I set up camp, and here is my living room. I have pillows. These two pillows here, I love. They are a blanket and a pillow. This one blanket in 30-degree weather kept me warm. Anyhow, this blanket is another one. They're from a company called Voided. You don't need a heater for these. Me and my husband did some stealth camping up at Mount Rainier, and this one blanket kept us warm. I have a third blanket that's a heated blanket. So I have my power station in the trunk or in the garage, and then I have its little cord that comes up through the back of the van, and then I could turn on a heated blanket if it gets really cold. These two pillows, I have an extra blanket in here, and in here I have two coats. That way it saves space. So these are really cozy and comfortable. Also, this blanket here, oh my gosh. I don't know if it's the material, like this, like lamb. This blanket is just a lap blanket. It keeps me nice and warm. Anyway, this is my living room. Over here is where I have a tablet. This is another part of my living room right over here, where I can watch a movie. This thing is stuck in the cup holder with this, and I got this off Amazon. Back here is where I have all my bathroom supplies, toiletries and stuff. Yeah. All right, and here we go. This is a really good thing to have. I tried a couple other things to secure your tablet. So I have movies that I downloaded on this tablet off Netflix and Hulu. I do have my my laptop, but it doesn't hook in this thing, so I have to use my kitchen counter, and I don't like that. But because I think I've said this a million times in my van build, I don't want things put away. Like this stays here permanently, and I like things in their places, just like in your home. Over here I have where I put all my clothes. So I built this shelf, and they're basically just bins, so I can put all my clothes in here. When me and my husband went camping for stealth camping, I had the top shelf and he had the bottom shelf, and we were able to put stuff in here. I hung my coat on here. The coats are a little hard to store away, but we were very comfortable in this little minivan. We're gonna go on a big trip together in the springtime for 2 weeks. We'll see how that works. I don't think it's enough room for 2 people, but he's really excited about my build, and he actually supports everything I've done so far. So anyway, I'm retired, so I have all this time to travel, and he works still. In 5 years, he wants to do this with me, so I might buy a Mercedes Sprinter van or something, and just kind of move my build in there and just kind of go from there. And anyway, I will show you more of my my packing. I'm almost done. It's not much to pack because I have everything kind of stays in here. It's just my clothes and making sure I have my food. Actually, my food, I'll show you. Okay, so under my bed is where I keep all my kitchen food or food. This is my food for my trip. I'll just show you real quick what I have in here. Let's see. This is my junk drawer. This is where I have like any emergency type things, as far as if things break, duct tape, an extra water spigot, cleaning supplies, just That's my junk drawer. And this is my coffee bin. Let's see. I love coffee. Anyway, that's my coffee bin, and you can see I can put more stuff in here if I need. This is where my mocha pot is to make coffee. My frying pan. My collapsible teapot, which I've never used. I'm going to use it on this trip. A plate. A candle. Anyway, my butane stove is here. So yeah, this is basically my kitchen and everything I need to cook with. I have a little plate, little odds and ends in here, a spatula, a cheese grater. I love scrambled eggs with cheese. Down here, I have my gray water tank and my fresh water tank and the toilet. And here I just keep I'm having problems with this stain. I think I need to, I do want to replace this thing. These things are getting ripped. When I pull the bed down, it hits it. So I don't know if I could really put anything here. But anyway, in here I keep little washcloths, my camping soap, and that's all. And then these little pellet thingies.